Okay, that sun came bearing down and it felt so good, little 60s, and folks got out just like it was a spring day. Although spring is still 6 weeks away, according to Punxsutawney Phil. But not a bad day to get out on the track and head a little bit out there on the silted portion of it and get a little stretch in and get a run in, whatever you want. Today was a day to do just that. Beautiful. Because we're going to have wet weather coming in. In fact, let's track it for you right now as we get in our evening. Yeah, by tonight, 8-7 Central, we can start seeing some spotty light showers anywhere across Interstate 85 from Troup County, LaGrange, Auburn, Opelika, Tuskegee to Union Springs, and it'll slowly advance across the overnight here. And when it does, it's going to bring in widespread showers, which is good. Everybody's going to get some kind of rainfall, okay? We all need rain, and coming up in the overnight, it will be wet. And it'll be a soaker in the morning, too, especially our morning commute, and once those kids get to school, too. So if you're in Lumpkin, Stewart County, Georgetown over here, and Clay and Quitman counties, all the way down from Fort Gaines and Bluffton, that far south and over here in Clio, or even across areas around Taylor County, Sly County, Ellaville, Americus Plains, Preston, okay? It's going to be wet. So we got to slow down in the morning is what we're saying. Once this line comes through, that's identified by this in the afternoon as a front. That's the nice little line that you see here. It'll already be past Eufaula. It'll already be coming through Randolph County and Cuthbert. And before you know it, it'll be out completely. And we're going to see some clouds still hanging around. It'll be chilly coming up on your Thursday, too, behind this front. And it will not have the same makeup from what we had this weekend. So this is live radar and right here, and it's already in Alexander City. It's moving our way. Okay, so tonight, wet weather. The rain ends in the afternoon tomorrow, 59. Thursday, once we clear, we'll see some partly sunny skies. We're going to see 48 degrees, freezing in the morning. So that's a chilly day. We can deal with it. We've got the sun. After that, it's all about the sun, and those 60s come right back again. In fact, this time in abundance. Look at a Sunday 67, just above frost around there. Monday 68. You see where I'm getting at with this in the extended forecast? 70 by Tuesday. And unfortunately, you know, this time of year, when you start seeing the warm weather, what's going to happen? Cold weather is going to slam into it, and that creates thunderstorms. And that's why we are not only in severe weather awareness mode, we are this time of year, because this is the time we have severe weather season, but severe weather preparedness week continues. This is day 2. And now we're talking about severe thunderstorms. You understand the criteria. When we talk about severe thunderstorms, these winds could be damaging. When we look at the base of these storms of 58-mile-per-hour winds, this is a baseline thunderstorm, severe thunderstorm. And you can have quarter-sized hail. Hail is measured by an actual physical item, like a golf ball. When it comes to considerable damage, 70-mile-per-hour winds with those thunderstorms. So when you see us tracking these, you know it could be pretty bad. And we'll break it down for you. And destructive winds could be 80 and higher. I mean, they could be stronger than some tornadoes. And the baseball-sized hail could be present. That is a problem. And we have to understand that. Severe thunderstorms, we should have a plan. Just like we would with tornadoes, get in the center part of your home, stay away from windows, and always have the WRBL weather app handy. Why? Because you allow those push notifications, you will get that notification and give you plenty of time to implement your family plan. Back to you, Teresa.
All right, thank you, Bob.